YouTube. With that being said, just gonna wrap up that video. What's going on, Trackpad fam, man? I hope y'all had a great weekend or something like that. But honestly, a lot of stuff happened in the past 3 days or 2 days, something like that. Ever since, or the end of the 29th, the 29th day or whatever, when I was creating the 30th vlog, when TikTok shut down, my bad, y'all, I got the heater on, but when TikTok shut down, they shut down my editing software, which was CapCut. So it took me a minute to find like a good editing software, but I found one. I went back to my old roots, you feel me, the ones back in the day. But nah, I found a good editing software, so now I'm making an extra video on behalf of the 30-day video or the 30-day vlog. So today, man, we're gonna be working on this and getting it out the way real quick. And honestly, y'all, it's let's see how cold it is outside. It was 17 degrees outside, but now it's like, let me see, 22. Let's see what it feel like. Feel like negative 19. Oh wait, no, it feel like 16. Now today we're gonna be going to the dump and stuff like that. So with that being said, we gotta take out that backrest from the back seat or whatever, because we throwing all these seats away. We're gonna take that to the dump. We gotta pump this tire up because it keep going flat. So we're gonna pump that up. Let me see. I can probably pump it up right now. But anyway, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I know it's a lot of noise, so just bear with me. I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So now I gotta clean up this back seat real quick in order for me to take it out. God, I'm crushing my head. I've been looking for these pieces so I can put these pillars back in. Yes, sir. I am coming out with a marketing class and a marketing course, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And the only way you're gonna know about that is joining the club fans, man, because I'm starting something new. But first, I do have to take myself through a lot of different things. But just make sure I stay active in there. Last time, I think I told y'all I was gonna drop the club fans or the fan club link, and I never dropped it. So I'm gonna drop it this time. That's my fault. I'm new to this stuff and trying to make stuff happen, you know, for the community, for our community. Let me turn the lights on so we can see. Voila, let me turn on white. Let me turn the white high. Oh, there it go. Okay, so boom. Ooh, we can see. All right, so now we gotta take out these. I think these are all 17s or 15s. So make sure I grab y'all a 19 socket and then go ahead and undo these two. And there's one in the middle, and I'm pretty sure there's two more on the other side. And I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse. Alright, y'all, so now we got the rear seats out. All my screws are right here. Make sure y'all save y'all screws, man, because y'all gonna need them. Usually the people on Facebook Market that have seats for sale, they don't tell you that they got the bolts, the nuts to the studs or whatever. So with that being said, y'all make sure y'all keep y'all stuff, man, because y'all will need it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna clean the back up And we're gonna be all good. We're gonna be all good. Oh, there go my stuff. Yes, sir, I needed you. So now y'all see the hood Bentley in here. You know what I'm saying? 5% tint all around, you know what I'm saying? Except for the windshield, the front windshield. But yeah, we got the hood Bugatti. You know what I'm saying? No chrome, all blacked out, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? 5% tint. Big Bentley. You know what I'm saying? But we had to take a different route because I gotta clean this car out and go from there. But it's not a lot. We just gotta get all my little tedious stuff out. Got change in the doors and stuff. Got my skateboards. I ain't been to a skate park in so long. Get a kickflip real quick for the video. For the video. Oh. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. I'm gonna hit one real quick. Ah, almost. Let me put y'all down. Child, so we got the floors clean, well, vacuum, not clean, but we got it vacuum. We just got to get them strings out and call it a day. But bro, everything is falling in place. And also I did take it out in the snow, you know, let it get some snow action or whatever. But you know, she heat up well, all the heat work. Wait, you know what? I want to see if I fixed something. I got to get one of the the lights for the roof or whatever. All right, so apparently it don't work. It is what it is. But I feel like we had a good stopping point. You know what I'm saying? So I might go ahead and run this video into the next day when I go get some more kerosene so it can be warmer in here. So I'm gonna catch y'all the next day. All right, y'all, so we made it back like 2 days later. Right now, we're warming up the shop. We got the cans of paint right here. Y'all do not know what I'm about to do. It's like, nah. But I ain't let y'all know what I was about to do because I ain't know what I was about to do. But, we cleaned up a little trash from out my other car. This is what I had. But y'all know I stayed strapped. 4 shotgun shells. Butt shot though. No slugs, cause we can't afford to miss. And you feel me, we stayed with nothing but ammunition. Oh, I'll put them back. Anyway, we got those. We got the Hollow Point 300 Blackout. Feel me? I think this is a 380. Yeah, I think so. Hella tools. Feel me? A light, pins, another mag, or a clip. You know, a lot of people like to be specific. Rubber tiger ducky, and information. So that's what we had in there. And y'all know we had the stuff that was in the trunk. All that good stuff. Anyway, we're gonna do a little bit cleaning up. We're gonna do a little bit more cleaning up. And then back to the paint. We're gonna start applying some paint and finishes. So I'm gonna go ahead, disconnect the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this chair out, and then once I pull that chair out, then I can pull the side panels out and stuff and paint those. Of course, I'm gonna have to sand it just a little bit. I don't gotta do too much sanding, but I'm gonna do what I can just to, you know, for the paint to apply to the surface, right? But yeah, so we got a little task going on here. I'm trying to find my, oh, here we go. My sandpaper right here. So I'm gonna put that over here. It's 39 degrees right now, so I'm gonna try to let it warm up a little bit more. And I also need to put these cans of paint into a warm bucket. That way it can break up or loosen up or whatever. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Alright, YouTube, so I was working on pulling this off and go ahead and doing that, but honestly I don't gotta paint that because we're gonna go ahead and get different seats anyway. So with that being said, all of the plastic parts that haven't been touched is out. I need to move this. This is trash. Going to the dump. Anyway, got that out. And we got some other pieces over here, but as y'all can tell, the ones that are done, I can go ahead and throw them back in. So, which is this A pillar. It got a little bit of stuff on it, but other than that, I think what I'm gonna do first, before I throw this back in, I'm gonna go ahead and do my little secret sauce. You feel me? I'm gonna throw my secret sauce in here.
Yanni, you made this? Yanni, you made this?
Alright, y'all, so right now we are finishing up the lower or the other pieces inside the interior, but it's coming out good. These pieces gonna have some orange on it and stuff like that. The other pieces, I'm about to show y'all how they look right quick. So right there it say wild, and then right here say 300. Let me see if y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all should be able to see it. But let me show y'all the look I'm going for. The look I'm going for. Boom. So it's orange in here and stuff, right? You got wild 300. For me, it kind of matches the steering wheel, so you know the old brown look. Then we got this over here. We're gonna take these out and paint them like I did this one up here. This is just the budget way, y'all. You know, make it look good for the low. You know what I'm saying? The budget way, look good. Anyway. go ahead and finish up that. And this is gonna be the end of that for this video because I need to sit down, bro. It's too much fumes and stuff going on. This heater on, it's loud. But yeah, we definitely gonna go ahead and put a pause to it right here. And we'll be back tomorrow or whenever I drop this video. I mean, whenever I drop the video, that's when we'll be back. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I stay tuned with everything that we got going on. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.